Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can start like the ocean cleanup event in Heartopia. So you are just going to go to the Whalefall area and you'll see this like device. It is the ocean cleanup, wait, I don't remember what it's called. It's like ocean accumulation device or something like that. But this is what it looks like and you're just going to press start. But I can't right now because I think like in a few minutes they're going to host the event. Okay, it's the ocean pollution accumulation device. But basically you're just going to start it and here's how you're gonna do the event. So basically you are going to clean up pollutants, and of course with every event there are bubbles. You're also going to want to pop them if you want to get to phase 2. It is a little bit random, but it is easier than going to phase 2 of like any other events in my opinion. Like you just get it randomly, but it's guaranteed that you will get it, but that is from my personal experience. So clear the pollutants that are everywhere, then you're going to be met with the kind of like the boss fight of pollutions. Don't know how else I would describe it. But there will be like a humongous purple pollution. And what you're going to want to do is you're just going to clean it as usual. It's not going to be gone like straight away. You just have to like aim your tool at it basically. And then you are just going to clean it. And when it gets to like the red phase, you'll hear like heartbeats. It always explodes at 6. So it's like the 1 and then like 2. I'm not gonna do the heartbeat sound because I will sound like a crazy person. But basically, on the 6th one, it's going to pop. And if you are not in the yellow bubble that will protect you from the pollutant, you will get like kind of like pushed away by the pollutant and you will get dirty as well. And I think sometimes you might lose energy. I'm not quite sure about that. But just make sure, like, I usually like go when it's like the 4th heartbeat, or when the like yellow bubble is close, I go at the like 5th heartbeat. I like count it so I'm able to clean the pollutant like efficiently, I guess. But yeah, that is it. If you made it to the 2nd phase, you will have to clean the pollutants that are everywhere again, and then there's going to be a second like pollutant boss fight. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!